Hello everyone, this is Suman. Welcome to TGTS, repair shop in Japan for local customer. We repair combustion parts, hot gas parts, and not only related to that, we also support customer outage as well in this pandemic situation. So without further delaying anymore, let's check it out. So we repair gas turbine components in our repair shop. So we're gonna walk through all machining capability and inspection process of the shop, what we are doing for the customer parts. So let's first begin with armor machining that we use for bucket machining process. Come in. Next is inspecting the part. I mean, doing measurements, taking dimension measurements is really important to our customer parts. So that is what we do here in our CMM machine, where we do many kind of inspection measurements, dimension checks so far. We have forearm inspection, we have CMM inspection. We use this both equipment for taking measurements of the parts. Let's check it out. So some components have cooling holes on them. For example, buckets. So they need a very precise cooling hole drilling process. So for that we have EDM machining process. There it is. So next, I would like to show you our coating process. As you know that the gas turbine components, they need to run in very high temperature, in very aggressive temperature. So they need to have a special kind of coating on them. So for that, we have HVOEF, high velocity oxygen fuel process system, to spray a very specific type of coating on the parts so that they can long last when they are in the production. We not only do inspection, precise inspection, besides precise inspection, we also want to make sure that our customer parts are good to go to run into the production. So most of the parts they have defects on them which need to be fixed before they leave from the repair shop to the customer. So that's the one part of the repair process which I'm going to show right now. It's welding and blending process. Come in. So here we blend, we grind, we do weld repairs of the components like hot gas parts and combustion components as well. So everything is done here. So let's move on there to show you how we do that job. So here we also do inspection, which is NDT inspection, non-destructive test of the parts for all hot gas parts and combustion components also. So I would like to show you something here regarding inspection. So we are here in fuel nozzle repair shop floor. We do repair 7F, 9F, 9HA, 7HF fuel nozzles repair on this shop floor. We do from receiving, inspection, disassembly, reassembly, floor test, and everything on this shop floor for fuel nozzles. So one of the things that are being done here right now is fuel nozzle assembly, floor test.